Asad!
Okay, so
Gunggay! Kiin! Kin!
So first, ang patient is sitting sa sitting ni extended.
Patient is sitting.
And then isupay nimo after. Mo hayang adihon. Oy, supay pa. Sige, ikaw therapist. Now, if both maneuver painful, nabi siya nerve root irritation. Okay? Irritated din yung sciatic nerve. Now, kung pain lang, balik ka sitting. Kung sitting lang and then extended, kung ano na siya, purely back pain lang. Maybe the muscle involvement lang. Wala na ikatong sciatic nerve, deeper involvement sa nerve. Okay?
Sakit man